How to remove image background by using Canva and download full HD image. Open Canva, choose image size you want to upload.
It's talky sometime we choose Instagram post size. Okay, upload image you want. We don't have image, so we take any image to elements. When we see LCIK image, we find option to remove image background. Click on this. After click this option, we find that our image background is removed. Then we want to add other background. Then like, we search hotel room in elements. Okay, we find this. We have pause it an option. We SEMD this on back AMND. We resize image and find good BG remove. Thanks.